Hey guys, Retro Geek here, and today we are going to be taking all the keys off of this keyboard and cleaning it up. As you can see, the channel got a bit of an overhaul. I started using another video program other than the stock Windows video editor program. So this keyboard, I got it from my school for free, and I took one key off a couple weeks ago and realized how disgusting it was inside, so I thought I'd make a video about it since I hadn't made a video in a long time, since I'm pretty busy. And yeah, so here's the video of it getting cleaned. The first thing I did after I took all the keys off the keyboard is I went and gave it a quick wipe down with a damp cloth, as the actual keyboard frame itself wasn't that dirty. It had a bunch of dust in it, which I blew out with a bit of compressed air, but the keys were my main focus. I then put the keys in the bucket for cleaning. After a thorough scrub, I drained the water from the box of keys, leaving the keys inside. I then dumped just the keys into the sink for rinsing. I then let the keys dry. After reassembling, this is the result. The keyboard looks pretty much new and clicks way better.